stablecoins getting a lot of attention lately.
Now, the US Congress has passed the first federal legislation to regulate stablecoins.
This is simply taking our payment system into the 21st century.
What's next? I mean, if you think about the next forefront of stablecoins.
I think the whole market's going to grow dramatically this year.
I think this is big.
Stablecoins are reinventing finance.
Banks interested in stablecoins are new regulations on paving the way for
Stablecoin institutional adoption.
Stablecoins that we see now are the long-awaited revolution in payments and in the financial industry.
The Genius Act has been the biggest compliance milestone that opened the gates for big institutions to use stablecoins.
It has been a huge paradigm shift, which will create clarity and certainty for the industry.
As soon as new regulations were coming in, we saw huge adoption.
We're seeing institutions globally really participate in the stablecoin ecosystem and really wanting to get a piece of it.
Why is that? Because it also brings some clarity and some certainty to use this new type of payment and services.
Now there's payments, there's trade finance, and a wide variety of use cases.
The next phase of adoption will be driven by utility and enterprise use cases. Institutions care about transparent, trusted, well-funded assets that they can utilize in their systems.
So we've been seeing a lot of institutions ask about RLUSD. And I think one of the reasons is the DFS regulation, the track record Ripple has had over the years.
RLUSD, we believe, is the most trusted regulated stablecoin in the market. We're seeing banks, we're seeing corporates, retailers coming into the flow. All of that demand is really coming around the operational efficiency of using programmable money 24/7.
So we at BCG, we're super optimistic when it comes to stablecoins. By 2030, we estimated and expect that 2.5 to 3 trillion of US dollar will be in stablecoins.
We see a world where stablecoins really act as that fundamental bridge and unit of account. So it's going to be a very exciting time in the stablecoin landscape.